Good King Wenceslas. For this piece, we have 4 quarter notes in the first bar, followed by 2 quarter notes and then a half note. Half note gets 2 beats. So make sure you sustain the bow from the frog to the tip until you get 2 beats. The time signature again is 4/4, which means 4 beats in 1 measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. The key signature is an F sharp and C sharp, which indicates that this piece is in a scale called D major scale. So let's prepare. I have my thumb at the neck right here. My thumb is pointing toward the ceiling. My fingers are hovering over my strings. My arm has this nice angle, my elbow here. My arm is away from the body. And I place my bow on the D string. My third finger is prepared for the first 3 notes, the first 3 quarter notes. I'm going to count to 4, then we will start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2 beats. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Hold. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put your violin down. Make sure when you're practicing this piece that you're drawing the bow across the strings right around here between the bridge and the fingerboard, and that you're using the entire length of the bow from the frog to the tip and from the tip to the frog. Just like that, and you're drawing your bow straight down, which means you have to open your elbow. And that the bow is parallel to the bridge. So you're not going to draw the bow going back like this, where your bow is going to be above the fingerboard, or it's going to be above the bridge. It's always going to be between the bridge and then fingerboard, like this. Happy practicing!